Let's get to know the Atlantic PS3900 Pond Skimmer. The number corresponds to the flow the skimmer is rated for, 3,900 gallons per hour. Pond skimmers house and protect up to 2 submersible pumps, drawing water in through the front opening, called a weir, as water is pumped out the back. Floating debris gets pulled into a net behind the weir. A buoyant weir door concentrates the pulling action on the surface film the debris floats on, increasing the reach of the skimmer. Inside, you'll find the installation bag with the manual, 2 liner clamps, a tube of silicone, and the hardware to seal the weir and liner to the skimmer. The nuts and screws are anodized black to be less visible. All documentation is printed in English, French, and Spanish. The Water Garden manual covers skimmers and their companion filter falls biological filters. A true manual rather than just instructions, it walks you through pond design, equipment location, installation procedures for skimmers, filters, and accessories and warranty information with clear illustrations and tables. The cover of the PS3900 has drainage channels to shed water that might otherwise harbor mosquito larvae. The skimmer body is made of heavy-duty rotomolded polypropylene, ribbed for strength, with stepped outlets that get cut off for 1.5" or 2" Schedule 40 tubing. Molded recesses accommodate pump cords without pinching. There are drill points on both sides for an optional autofill to keep the pond filled automatically, and a drill point at the rear for an overflow if desired. The weir, with its locking door, bolts to the face of the skimmer, clamping the liner in place. There's a stainless steel framed debris net, a metallofilter mat to keep large solids out of the pump chamber, and a support bar that holds up the mat and keeps the skimmer walls from compressing. And that's everything you need to know about the PS3900 Pond Skimmer, but we're afraid to ask. Next up, installing the skimmer. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.